All right, let's talk about multi-threading into buying committees, Superman style. Here's the painful truth. Most reps talk to one contact, but decisions are made by 5 to 8 people inside the company. Ignoring the rest is like Superman refusing to use his X-ray vision and guessing who needs saving. You miss the influencer, you miss the blocker, you miss the budget holder, you miss the real decision maker. And that's why deals stall. But AI changes everything. Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai scan company data, org charts, website behavior, LinkedIn activity, and automatically identify all stakeholders. Then they route personalized messages to decision makers, influencers, and hidden powers inside the buying team. It's multi-threading on autopilot, faster trust, stronger buy-in, bigger deals. So answer this: why are you still selling to one person when the committee makes the call?